हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल स्वीटी ब्लॉग्स। आई होप आप सब ठीक होंगे। गर फिरदौस बर्रू जमी अस्त हमी अस्तो हमी अस्तो हमी अस्त। इफ देयर इज अ हेवन ऑन अर्थ, इट्स हियर, इट्स हियर, इट्स हियर। Mughal Emperor Jahangir said it all when he visited Kashmir in the 17th century and we cannot deny that. वेल आज की वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं अबाउट हिंदुस्तान की जन्नत यानी जम्मू एंड कश्मीर के बारे में। बट इससे पहले कि मैं वीडियो स्टार्ट करूं, आई वुड लाइक टू रिक्वेस्ट दैट जो लोग मेरी वीडियो को पहली बार देख रहे हैं वो प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए ताकि आगे भी ऐसे वीडियोस आप सबके लिए मैं लाती रहूं। सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी मोर टाइम, लेट्स बिगिन आवर वीडियो। So guys, let's talk about the origin of Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir was a region formerly administered by India as a state from 1952 to 2019, constituting the southern and the southeastern portion of the larger Kashmir region, which has been the subject of a dispute between India, Pakistan and China since the mid-20th century. The underlying region of the state were parts of the former princely state of Jammu and Kashmir, whose western districts, जो अब जाना जाता है आज़ाद कश्मीर के नाम से, एंड नॉर्दर्न टेरिटरीज जिसे कहते हैं गिलगिट बल्तिस्तान, वो पाकिस्तान के एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन के अंडर आता है। द अक्साई चीन रीजन जो कि ईस्ट में है बॉर्डरिंग तिब्बत, वो एरिया चाइनीज़ कंट्रोल के अंडर है सिंस 1962 आफ्टर द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया रिपेल्ड special status which was accorded to the Jammu and Kashmir under Article 370 of the Indian Constitution in 2019. The Parliament of India passed Jammu and Kashmir Reorganization Act, which contained provisions that dissolved the state and reorganized it into two union territories, Jammu and Kashmir in the west and Ladakh in the east, with effect from 31st October 2019. At the time of its dissolution, Jammu and Kashmir was the only state in India with a Muslim majority population. Now let's talk about the culture of Kashmir. जम्मू एंड कश्मीर में डाइवर्स ब्लेंड देखने को मिलता है और वैरायटी ऑफ कल्चर्स। इट हैज़ ए कॉम्पोजिट कल्चर क्रिएटेड बाय पीपल जो बना है अलग अलग रिलीजन से, जैसे कि हिंदू, सिख, मुस्लिम एंड बुद्धिस्ट। दिस कॉम्पोजिट कल्चर ऑफ कश्मीर इज ऑल्सो नोन एज कश्मीरियत। द कल्चरल सिग्निफिकेंस ऑफ दिस प्लेस इज ग्रेट। द पीपल ऑफ जम्मू एंड कश्मीर हैव मेड ह्यूज कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन टूवर्ड्स द वर्ल्ड कल्चर इन द फॉर्म ऑफ देयर क्राफ्ट्स, written words, oral histories, science and philosophy. Most of the tourists travel to Kashmir to experience the tradition and culture of Jammu and Kashmir. Now let's talk about the languages of Kashmir. The most common languages of Kashmir are Urdu, Hindi, Ladakhi, Puric, Tibetan, English, Kashmiri and Dogri. The foremost language of Kashmir is Kashmiri. Hindi is mostly used by Gujjar and Kashmiri Pandits. Dogri, also known at times as the Pahari language, this is mostly used by people known as Dogras from the Duggar region. Urdu is mostly used by the Muslims in the region. English is the world language जिसे mostly use करते हैं the businessmen, shopkeepers, guides and the locals for easier communication with the tourists. As per the recent language bill passed by the Lok Sabha, the official languages of Kashmir are Dogri, Kashmiri, Urdu, English and Hindi. Now let's talk about the costumes. The costume of Kashmiri people is very colorful and attractive. The majority of people wear traditional costume and women attire themselves with gorgeous jewelry like nose ring, bangles, earrings, necklaces and loose salwar kameez, which make them comfortable during the hot season. कश्मीर के कॉस्ट्यूम्स वर्ल्ड रिनाउंड है इनके इंट्रिकेट स्टाइल एंड एम्ब्रॉयडरी की वजह से दैट शोकेसेस द कल्चर ऑफ दिस रीजन. द कॉस्ट्यूम्स ऑफ कश्मीरी पीपल आर क्वाइट अट्रैक्टिव एंड कलरफुल. The traditional dress of Kashmir is generally made of wool, cotton and silk designed with embroideries. These dresses are designed according to the weather of the region. The Firan Kashmiri logo का traditional dress है. It is a type of overcoat worn by people during winters. The Firan is decorated with embroidery work and colorful patches. Most of the women wear headgear and men wear a skull cap. Most of the costumes of Kashmiri people are loose gown and it just varies in quality of fabric according to the weather. Now guys, let's talk about the special cuisine of Kashmir. Kashmiri cuisine is a classical combination of Mughal, Muslims and Kashmiri Pandit styles. Kashmiri food is generally meat based, cooked slowly for a long time with numerous spices. Alcoholic drinks are detested in Kashmir. Kawa, the traditional green tea with almonds and spices, is generally consumed during winters. Other popular dishes of the region are Kashmiri pulao, karam saag, dum aloo, and firni. Some of the famous vegetarian dishes include haq, rajma, zarda, tursh, shri, pulao, nadir yakhni, and ladiyat saman. These dishes are prepared with fresh vegetables with paneer to give an interesting taste to the cuisine. The popular dishes of meat are Kashmiri kebab, Rogan Josh, Yakhni, Pasanda, Sion Aloo, and Methi Keema. Now let's talk about the music and dance. Kashmir has its unique style of music and dance performances. Dance and music एक inseparable part है of all the festivals and fair in this region. Mask dance is one of the famous dance forms in Kashmir, wherein the dancers wear brocade robes and face masks and is mostly performed during the Hemis festival. Dumhal is another famous dance form in the valley, generally performed by men and women performing Rauf. And Kashmir के दूसरे popular dance forms हैं Ladisha, Roof dance, Chakri Raul and Dogri. The popular musical instruments are Dukra, Sitar and Nagara. Now let's talk about the background of Kashmiri people. The Kashmiri population is an ethno-linguistic group that can be compared with an Indo-Greek with the racial structure of the Kashmiris. The native of Kashmiri people lives in Pakistan, Upper Punjab and Pothohar, where they organize a group and live together. Although Kashmiri people live in different parts of India, they are mainly gathered in the valley of Kashmir, Doda, Kishtwar and Ramban Tehsils of Jammu division. Their language is highly influenced by the Sanskrit language and mostly spoken by Kashmiri Muslims and Kashmiri Hindus. However, you can find variation in language when you will travel to different parts of Kashmir. Their writing script consists of Arabic style. According to the sources, Wazwan and their culture is highly influenced by the Central Asian and Persian culture. The dance, music, cuisine, carpet weaving and kosher Sufiana forms a significant part of Kashmiri identity. Kashmiri culture is mainly followed by people living in Kashmir Valley and Dobab of the Chenab region. The valley is known for the fine arts including traditional boats and houseboats, handicrafts and poetry. Well, now let's talk about the festivals. A large number of festivals are celebrated by Kashmiri people with full of joy and enthusiasm. Besides a panoramic view of the landscape, Jammu and Kashmir is a home to rich cultural heritage and it is easily reflected by the festival celebration of the Kashmiri people. Kashmir के popular festivals हैं बैसाखी, लोहरी, ईद उल फित्र, हेमिस festival, tulip festival, शिकारा festival, Guris festival, Sindhu Darshan and Domokhe. Kashmiri people love folk music and tap their feet on the most famous rabab music. बहुत सारे लोग गैदर होते हैं during the festival season and enjoy these auspicious days with lots of enthusiasm. Traditional dance, participation in painting, multi-cuisine and shops of handicrafts are an integral part of these festivals. Numerous fairs like Bahu Mela, Jhiri Mela and Craft Mela are also organized on some auspicious days where Kashmiri culture is highlighted by those people. Kashmir is one of the best places where you can see rich heritage and culture along with its beauty. Handicraft. कश्मीर काफ़ी ज़्यादा पॉपुलर है अपने ब्यूटीफुल एंड यूनिक हैंडीक्राफ्ट की वजह से. द पश्मीना शॉल वर्ल्ड वाइड फेमस है फॉर इट्स क्वालिटी एंड फैब्रिक. Almost every woman love and desire pashmina shawl as it symbolizes royalty. The design and embroidery work on the shawl is breathtaking also. The warmth and softness that it offers is completely matchless. Kashmir is also famous for their hand-knotted carpets and woolen rugs having floral design. On the other hand, basketry, wooden carving, furniture made of walnut wood and silverware are one of the best handicrafts offered by Kashmiri people. As Kashmir is one of the best attractions for tourists, the handicraft industry is getting expanded by the government. वेल दैट्स द एंड ऑफ टुडेज वीडियो। आई होप आप सबको मेरा ये स्पेशल वीडियो ऑन ब्यूटीफुल कश्मीर ज़रूर पसंद आया होगा। डू लाइक, कॉमेंट एंड शेयर योर ओपिनियन अबाउट कश्मीर इन द कॉमेंट सेक्शन एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल स्वीटी ब्लॉग्स फॉर मोर सच वीडियोज़। तब तक के लिए टेक केयर, स्टे ब्लेस्ड एंड मिलते हैं मेरे अगले वीडियो में। बाय बाय।